right, welcome back to the channel. It's April 22nd, 2024. It is Monday. A little late. Um, things going on, but that is a-okay. Let's pick up where we left off. Let's take a look at these charts and let's see what is coming up this week. Let's start off with UJ, looking at last Friday's close and how Monday is actually playing out. So a few things to note. As I had mentioned, that UJ structurally nothing has still changed. What I did say is that there was a potential spike, right? There's these certain spikes that are happening right now, and they were displayed on Friday. There's these massive spikes, and we also talked about neutral price points. Be careful, mainly for the fact that we're still very near a consolidation range. We haven't officially broken it yet. We have not officially broken it yet. We need one more candle to give us that indication. It's going to show up first on the lower time frame. So if you're looking to go long, I would say look tomorrow on UJ for more clues as the sessions roll out. One thing that is important is that if we do get a minor close today, that is a solid bullish candle. Tomorrow, we are likely then to get the breakout candle to clear the 155 area. And I wouldn't be hesitant of that, mainly because sellers here are exhausted. A lot of sellers exhaustion that oftentimes leads to the buildup. Here we notice how we get a prolongated buildup of price to go long. However, notice how there isn't like any drastic wicks besides this initial one here. Notice how here we had 3 consecutive lows and market did not form a bearish candle at any point. So again, we're still going along with structure. As I stated, we could have got a lot of movement on Monday. Not looking that way, we're probably going to see it tomorrow for market to kick in or more towards the middle of the week. So still hawkish on UJ. Again, guys, this is not any financial advice. This is just my personal opinion. Please keep that in mind, okay? Please keep that in mind. All right, going now to USD CAD. USD CAD has just been on a smooth retracement. If this does turn the boat back around, it's going to be a sweet move to catch because it's just playing out like a textbook right now. If we can get market to continue to retrace, notice how we did break out of that. Unless market forms a neutral price point and neutral medium for the daily, but we're continuing on this retracement overall, right? What we want to see now is market to then level, then to continue back to the upside, given the overall structure. Again, that doesn't mean that it can't continue to retrace. So just keep that in mind. But as of now, for the retracement stage, the bears have the ball. For the overall structure, we're still hawkish, all right? We're still looking to go long for the longer moves. So keep that in mind. And AU. AU is consolidating. It is a pair that does like to consolidate. As you can see here, there's a lot of consolidation in this pair. So we are consolidating right now. Again, structure is still bearish. This could just be a price buildup. Don't get fooled thinking that this is seller's exhaustion. Be wary because structure is structure. We're still bearish structurally. But one thing to note is that we have these 2 neutral prices. Buyers today seem to have the upper hand. However, it doesn't mean that tomorrow we can't see just a bearish candle just form right after. Okay, notice how we're hitting again 64,500. Be on the lookout for that. We're in consolidation. There is no clear break. Overall, the cleanest chart, in my opinion, is USD CAD. I'd be very patient. I'd be on the lookout for USD CAD this week. Okay. All right. H4s. Let's go over those H4s and show me that. All right, UJ. So again, New York as of now has already passed mainly the open. We don't have a lot of volume. We can still consolidate once more to then go to the upside, as that is my anticipation and expectation. I don't believe we're going to go down to the downside. as we're just continuing the overall structure of the market. Okay, market likes to continue. But again, from this price point to this price point to, in a sense, this price point and this price point, we are just in consolidation. Even though we have a very minor slight break, these candles can be tricky. Usually when they happen, there is a reversal when you get a lot of these consecutively. See, as we get here, we just get a lot of minor volume, then all of a sudden we get the drop. Here we only got two perfect ones, but here we're having a slow incline up, but we could get one more drop perhaps later today in Asia and London for then market to start to rally back up to the upside. So just bear that in mind. That is a pretty good possibility. Or market might just take off. Who knows? But that would be my anticipation. There is no clear break, in my opinion, in terms of the actual box itself. AU, we're seeing the same instance where market is consolidating. Here we're just at the top. So again, I would expect market to perhaps come back down once more before actually taking off. That would be a similar move to UJ in a way. Again, pair correlation, it's important to keep that in mind. But I would anticipate market to come back into the region, throw in a further spike to then rally, right? It can continue. It just depends on how long market is going to take to build up enough price and strength to actually break out of the zone that we're currently in. So AU on the H4, consolidation. UJ, consolidation, but doesn't change the overall bias. We're still looking to continue the overall direction. Last but not least, USD CAD. USD CAD is taking its sweet time. It seems to now have found a neutral price point. We could turn back around as this looks more of a wave in relationship to how market is playing out on the other H4s. So from here, we could see a slow creep up of price and perhaps a break off. I would be wary of this zone for it to be cleared, mainly because we're seeing the consolidation across the other pairs. So it doesn't mean that market can just come back up here and then consolidate, right? So as of now, we're pretty neutral, right? We're pretty neutral on the intradays. Boxes, not seeing anything super clear, but on the daily, USD CAD looks, in my opinion, the clearest. Guys, that is it for today. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Again, safe trading, use your stop loss, use your risk management. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. It's your boy Bliss. Peace out.